In May 2019, Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang founded FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange that would soon become a dominant player in the crypto world. With a vision to revolutionize trading, FTX rose rapidly, capturing the attention of investors and users worldwide. But behind the meteoric rise lay a series of events that led to its dramatic downfall. The journey began with bold moves. In August 2020, FTX acquired Blockfolio, a cryptocurrency portfolio tracking app, for $150 million. This acquisition expanded FTX's reach to retail investors, cementing its growing influence. By July 2021, FTX achieved an $18 billion valuation after raising $900 million from prominent investors, including SoftBank and Sequoia Capital. The company's ambition knew no bounds. In September 2021, FTX relocated its headquarters from Hong Kong to the Bahamas, seeking a favorable regulatory environment to continue its expansion. In January 2022, FTX announced a $2 billion venture fund, FTX Ventures, to support innovative projects in the crypto space. That same month, FTX's valuation peaked at $32 billion after raising $400 million in Series C funding. The company attracted major investors like SoftBank and Temasek, cementing its status as a crypto powerhouse. February 2022 marked another milestone as FTX.US revealed plans to offer stock trading services to its U.S. customers, further diversifying its offerings. FTX continued its aggressive growth strategy. In July 2022, it secured a deal to potentially acquire crypto lender BlockFi for up to $240 million, coupled with a $400 million credit facility. But not everything was smooth sailing. In August 2022, the FDIC issued a cease and desist order to FTX for making misleading claims about deposit insurance. Despite setbacks, FTX pushed forward. In September 2022, FTX.US won an auction to acquire the assets of bankrupt crypto brokerage Voyager Digital for approximately $1.42 billion. The cracks began to show in November 2022 when CoinDesk revealed a leaked balance sheet from Alameda Research, a trading firm closely linked to FTX, revealing that its assets were heavily reliant on FTT tokens, raising concerns about FTX's financial stability. On November 6, 2022, Binance announced plans to liquidate its FTT holdings. This triggered a massive sell-off, leading to a sharp decline in the token's value. Within 72 hours, transactions totaling $5 billion caused an $8 billion shortfall. Binance initially signed a non-binding agreement to acquire FTX, but after due diligence it withdrew, citing serious financial concerns. On November 8, 2022, FTX halted customer withdrawals, leaving users unable to access their funds. 2 days later, Bahamian authorities froze FTX's assets, appointing a provisional liquidator. On November 11, 2022, FTX filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and Sam Bankman-Fried resigned as CEO, handing the reins to John J. Ray III. That same day, FTX detected unauthorized transactions, with approximately $477 million reportedly stolen, a complication in the bankruptcy proceedings. The legal battles began. On December 12, 2022, Sam Bankman-Fried was arrested in the Bahamas at the request of the U.S. government. Days later, on December 21, he was extradited to the United States to face charges of fraud and conspiracy. In March 2024, Sam Bankman-Fried was sentenced to 25 years in prison after being convicted of fraud and conspiracy to launder money. The legal reckoning extended to others involved. Caroline Ellison, former CEO of Alameda Research, was sentenced to 2 years in prison in September 2024. Nishad Singh, FTX's former engineering director, received time served and 3 years of supervised release in October 2024. Gary Wang, FTX co-founder, was sentenced to time served and 3 years of supervised release in November 2024. On May 8, 2024, FTX announced a customer reimbursement plan, pledging to return nearly all funds owed. By August 2024, a U.S. court ordered FTX to pay $12.7 billion to compensate customers and fraud victims, marking the largest recovery in Commodity Futures Trading Commission history. On November 11, 2024, FTX sued Binance and its CEO Changpeng Zhao, seeking to recover nearly $1.8 billion linked to a 2021 share repurchase deal. FTX alleged that Zhao's actions contributed to its collapse, while Binance argued the failure stemmed from FTX's own leadership. FTX's rise and fall serve as a cautionary tale in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. From its meteoric ascent to its catastrophic collapse, the story of FTX highlights the dangers of unchecked ambition and financial mismanagement.